Hi students, I am Naresh. Welcome to my channel Jet I Teach. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. In this first one and second one we already discussed in previous video. So now we can see third one. Okay, first I will write the given polynomial. Okay, to find the zeros, you can assume the value of this polynomial is 0. To find the zeros of polynomial, assume its value is 0. Okay, now six x square minus 3 minus 7x is 0. Okay, if you look at this polynomial, it is not in order. Okay, you can write in the correct order. So 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now we need to split 7x into 2 times. Okay, I will let you know how we need to split it. Okay, general equation ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, here a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7, c equal to minus 3. Okay, now you can find a into c. 6 into minus 3. Now a into c become minus 18. Okay, what's the value of b? B is minus 7. Okay, we need to write these two values in terms of two integers. Okay, but both integers will be same for these two terms. Okay, how we can split it? 6 into 8. No, need to identify this one. Okay, and you can write this one as 2 into 9. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7, right? So 2 into 9 is 18. Okay, you can write as 2 into minus 9. Okay, okay, if you see 2 into 9 is 18. Okay, minus 9 minus 18. Okay, 2 plus minus 9, you will get minus 7. Okay, you can split it like that. Now, so if you don't know how to split it, try for different factors for 18. Okay, then you will come to know at what factors you will get 7 minus 7. Now 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3. Okay, this 7x become 2x minus 9x. Again it is equal to 7x, right? equal to 0. If you look at this, 2x is common. Okay, I am taking 2x as common. Now 3x plus 1. In this, minus 3 is common. Okay, 3 3 ja 9, x, I got it. Okay, if you common minus 3, you will get plus 1. Okay, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Okay, here 3x plus 1 is common, so 3x plus 1 is common in these two terms. Okay, now 3x plus 1 into common term, here 2x is remaining, here minus 3 is remaining. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, from this, okay, if you want to make it 0, okay, either this term or this term or both terms should be 0. Terms should be 0. Now 3x plus 1 is 0 or 2x minus 3 is 0. Okay, 3x equal to minus 1, here 2x equal to 3. So x equal to minus 1 by 3, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now we can find the sum of zeros and product of zeros, and you can relate with the coefficients of polynomial. So before that, you can find out sum of zeros formula, product of the zeros by formulas. Okay, now you know, right, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is minus b? Minus b is 7, right? A is 6. Okay, product of zeros by formula c by a minus 3 by 6. Okay, you can write sum of zeros equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Okay, you need to take LCM is 6. Okay, minus 2 will come, you need to multiply this, plus 9. Okay, which is equal to 7 by 6. Okay, 7 you can write as minus of minus 7 by 6. Now minus, what is minus 7 here? B means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Okay, divided by 6. What is 6? A means coefficient of x square. Of x square. Okay, now you can see product of zeros. Minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 cancel, we will get minus 1 by 2. How we can write minus 1 by 2? Here, product of zeros is here, right? You can write minus 3 by 6. We got minus 3 by 6, right? You can write minus 3 by 6. Okay, if you simplify this one, both are same. If you observe this one, both are same. Both are same. Why I write in this form? Okay, I need to write in terms of coefficient, so I wrote like this. So minus 3 means constant term. Constant term C. 6 means quotient of x square. X square. Okay, I will explain once. Okay, to find the zeros of this polynomial, I assume like this polynomial is 0. So after that, I rearranged the order. Okay, in the correct order I wrote it. So minus 7x I divided into 2 times, 2x minus 9x. Okay, based on these conditions. Okay, I got x equal to minus 1 by 3. Another one is 3 by 2. So here I need to write something. Therefore zeros are 3 by 2. Okay, I need to write this one here actually. Okay, so zeros are these two. Okay, fourth one, 4u square plus 8u. Okay, I will write the given polynomial as given polynomial 4u square plus 8u. Okay, to find the zeros of this polynomial, we can assume the value of this polynomial is 0. To find the zeros of polynomial, assume its value is 0. So you can write 4u square plus 8u equal to 0. Okay, if you observe this one, we don't have any constant term. Okay, straight away you can split it. Okay, so 4u is common. Okay, u I got here, can write as 2. Okay, 4u into u, 4u square, 4u into 2, 8u. Okay, 4 is a constant term. It cannot be 0. Either u or u plus 2. Any one or both can be zeros. Okay, to make it entire polynomial is 0. From this, u is 0 or u plus 2 is 0. Okay, so u equal to minus 2. Okay, you can write as, therefore zeros are 0 and minus 2. Okay, now we can find sum of zeros and product of zeros. So before that I will write sum of zeros and product of zeros by using formula. It's a general equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right? A equal to 4, b is 8, c is 0, so, because no constant term. Okay, by using formula, sum of the zeros are alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a minus b is 8 by a. So okay, similarly product of zeros is c by a, c is 0 by 4. Okay, I will let you know why I wrote like this. You can write the sum of the zeros. Is 0 plus minus 2 equal to minus 2. I can write minus 2 as like this, minus 8 by 4. Both are same. If you simplify, okay, 2 4 ja 8, you will get minus 2, which is same. The reason for writing like this is I want to write in terms of coefficients. Minus I wrote bracket open, 8 means it's a coefficient of x. I am writing that. Coefficient of x. 4 means coefficient of x square. Okay, coefficient of x square. Next, product of zeros. Zero into minus 2 equal to 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 4. Okay, I wrote 0 by 4. So here 0 means C constant term. Okay, constant term by 4 means coefficient of x square. We have one correction here. This is the polynomial given in u, so we need to write coefficient of u here, coefficient of u square. So similarly here coefficient of u square. I will explain this once. Okay, I wrote the given polynomial. I wrote the given polynomial. After that I will make it 0. So I found values of u, so that those are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so now zeros of the polynomial, I got minus 2. I wrote in this way to match this one. Okay, after that I wrote minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. Then product of zeros is I got 0. I wrote 0 by 4 to match this one. After that I wrote constant term by coefficient of u square.